Myntri katanat Pule Puthi ka Sorkar Jylla ubalak men romboi ulak kamba ka Pule Puthi haka Jylla ka Kiew Stet menta hapo ka jinga lam jokani ka Sorkar. Haba juba balor ka jinga tai ba wanra adu ba HM Shang Pliang haka dor bar senrai ka balong hne kesngi. Myntri ula ong ba ki khmi renti ba usnam arhajar arpawei ka kerdan joka Meghalaya kan Kiew no kham shajrong na ka ka ba ka don baro shikata. Ula pentip ru banalor ki spa tali ki skul ba ki sedang tai menta katanat ka penkre ru ban maramot daki hajar tali ki jaka Pule badon haka Jylla.
Many PGI indicators such as transparency of recruitment, posting, transfer to teacher attendance, promotion, efficiency bar, increment and salary transfer. That's so, in order to augment the digital infrastructure in the state shall implement the Vidya Samiksha Kendra or the Command and Control Center, which is a learning management and tracking system that will focus on improving learning outcome and learning levels of students through robust system of online assignment, project, regular assessment of student performance that is formative competency based and test higher order skills such as critical thinking and conceptual clarity. This will be executed in a learning management tracking system through a central monitoring system or component which also track the student progress throughout the school years in order to promote their continuous learning and development. This is an important initiative towards transforming assessment in line with the goal of NEP 2020. That's when we talk about the improvement of education, let me read PGI score. 2017-18, 584. 2018-19, 610. 2019-20, 648. And I am sure that 2020-21, we will cross 700. Improvement is there, sir, in every index of education system. You have seen that from 584, we have reached 448 in a matter of 3 years. And as I said, I'm sure that in 2020-21, as and when they release, we will surely cross the 700 score. This will not happen without the intervention of the government. As I said, I am very open. I admit there is need to be done. That's why from the day one, sir, I told that infrastructure. And now, if we didn't take this step, who will take? Why no other government in the past take this step? Let me inform the honorable member that we have construction is going on in 191 school, new building, and in 3 UP school without LP, and in 3 UP school without with LP school, in 4 without LP section, and in 3 with LP section, and we have construction Government Boys Higher Secondary School Juai 1, Nong Talang Government Secondary School 1, Resbulpara Government Higher Secondary School North Karo Hills 1, Government Boys Higher Secondary School Tura West Karo Hills 1, Sip Singh Memorial Government Secondary School Nongstoy West Karo Hills 1, Dalu Government Higher Secondary School, Rambai Government Higher Secondary School East Giant Hills, Sorkar Government Higher Secondary School West Giant Hills, Tira Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Shela Bholakanj East Kas Hills, United Kharkota Higher Secondary School North Karo Hills. And besides that, sir, just the other day, we told that the second phase, more than 100 schools will be taken up, and more than about 1,000 schools will be renovated. Why no government do this? But we have completed what we have identified. That's why we are able to sanction this and do this. And not only that, sir, Not only that, the Honorable from Mausram tell me that it is just a lip service. Sir, we meet it. That's why I told that within 100 days, more than 100 schools will be renovated.